Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make ChatGPT access the internet. First of all, we need that extension which name is web ChatGPT. You will get that extension, just search as web ChatGPT and then add to the browser. Then go to the new tab and write chat.openai.com. You will go to the in this page. If you have an account, just log in, or if you have not an account in chatopenai.com, then sign up. In the sign up option, you have to give mobile number and email addresses to verify you. After the login, you will see the interface, and then you have to access web access to the ChatGPT, and how much result you want to get, just put them, and in the region which results you want, just put them like United States, and then search your question in the text box. Like I want to search the world population 2020 to 2013. Then click this button, and you will get the answers by ChatGPT. That's a little bit time. It takes some few minutes. So ChatGPT gives us some details about population, and remember that if you don't add the extension, you will not get the latest news or message from ChatGPT. Thank you for watching.